welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can print your screen on MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to print your screen, then this video is for you. So let's get into the video without any delays. So guys, if you want to print your screen, just go ahead and open the image or a certain text that you want to print. And once you're there, just go ahead and press these three buttons. Press Shift, Command, and the number 5. So just press them all at once and you'll see this option. So now you can see capture entire screen, capture selected window, and capture selected portion. So you can either choose to capture selected window or entire screen or selected portion. And after you've chosen, just go ahead and tap on capture. And that's how you print your screen. So guys, that's how you print your screen in MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.